How to activate Commonwealth Bank Credit Card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on activating your Commonwealth Credit Card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and search for card activation of Commonwealth Bank. Visit the official Commonwealth Bank website at www.combank.com.au and first of all simply log into your specific account. After you do that, click on Activate Your Card Online and begin by registering for the net code if you haven't already and log into your account. Go to the settings and choose Card Activation under the Security tab and input the last 4 digits of your card, confirm your PIN, set your PIN, and obtain the net code. Enter the code to activate your card, and once done, your card will be successfully activated. Now go to the Active Credit Card option, log into your specific account, and follow the earliest steps to finish the activation process. So that's all about activating your Commonwealth credit card account. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.